Delivery receipt 1000. It's the Canon PowerShot V10, a video camera. It's the free SD card, 64 gig. Kita ka na! No, wait. And this, I think the charger. It's the charger. And this is the camera. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Ta-da! Okay. And here is the closer look. It also has microphone audio. It's a flip camera already. You can do it like this. This is the very interesting. It's the standee. You can see that. Let's try it. Saan pa go na? Here. Oh, diba? Set up. It's already on, and let's try to set up. You can see languages. Oh, by the way, guys, it's in Touch Visa English. Set up. Also set a password. Oh, it's record na. Yeah, with the camera. And to set up the date 2026 April 4. You need to download the application. Go up. Funny. Wow. Sa kulit dyan, ganyan ko kayo. I'm so happy. So happy for you. Now that already connected to the application, and I think that's it.